Upgrade your everyday carry tools and your zippers with Keyport ParaPulls. Originally designed as lanyards for the Keyport Anywhere Tools EDC system, they also make great zipper pulls. ParaPulls are perfect on keychains, key organizers, EDC tools, garments, and any gear that needs a touch of personalization and functionality. Crafted from durable nylon paracord, the ParaPull ensures long-lasting use, making it a reliable companion for all your adventures. They have an ergonomic grip that make them easy to grab, and a 4mm hole make it easy to attach loose items or secure your zippers. Available in a variety of colors, they help you express your style while making all your EDC tools and zippers easy to find and operate. Replace your ordinary zipper pulls with ParaPulls on your jackets, vests, zipper hoodies, and all your bags. Whether you're exploring the outdoors, commuting through the city, or organizing your gear, they provide more than just convenience. They enhance your everyday carry.